What is going on, everybody? It's Davin here, helping you play creatively. Today we're going to look at a standard gospel progression in the key of F sharp. This progression is essential in gospel music because it is in so many songs. So if you want to play gospel and you want to learn this in the key of F sharp, you got to check out this lesson. All right, here we go. This is the progression that we're learning today. Now, here are the songs, were really just some examples that utilize this progression. All right, so we have, as the deer panteth for the waters of my soul, or never would have made it, never could have made it without you, or what a beautiful name it is, what a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ, my King. All right, so there's so many songs that can utilize this progression, and there's so many CCM songs that you could apply this progression to. All right, so what's going on in this progression? My first chord here is an F sharp major 7. We're going to refer to this as our 1, all right? Then we're going to go to the next chord, which is going to be our 7, because we're in the key of F sharp. And this chord here is a F half diminished 7, okay? The next chord here is going to be we're going to call this a B. This is a B augmented chord, B augmented 7 sharp 9, all right? And then B flat, sorry. Then we have an E flat chord here. We're going to play E flat minor 7 here, all right? And then the next chord here is going to be a C sharp. So I know I'm in the key of F sharp, and I know I'm interchanging, all right? Shouldn't be doing that, but hey. So this is going to be C sharp or D flat, really, minor 7. And then here we have our 1, which is going to be an F sharp, A sharp, E, G sharp, to a B major 7, okay? And sorry, I didn't name that chord, but that's really a F9 chord, F sharp 9 chord, or G flat 9 chord, to a B major 7, okay? Now let's go ahead and play that slowly. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight something that I do on a lot of my chords, especially in regards to this progression, is I keep the root in my left hand, and I replace the root with a 7th chord in my right. So let's just take a couple of those chords. So let's look at that 1 chord for a second. Here, instead of playing F sharp like this, G flat, I'm going ahead and I'm bringing that down here, and I'm playing the 7 like this, right? So it's really a rootless voicing for my right hand, but it's not really an overall rootless voicing. So that's how I'm voicing the chord. I do the same thing here for this F half diminished 7. The same thing here for this B, or this A sharp or B flat sharp 5 sharp 9 chord. Same thing here, right, for this E flat minor 7 chord, right? And for all of them, right? That helps to easily, for me, access those seventh chords, which add just an extra layer of flavor to the music, okay? All right, so here's something, another little tip that I'm doing, okay? So with some of my chords, I'm only moving one note to access the next chord, okay? So here we go. So we have this, the first chord here. Now, instead of playing this B flat, sharp 5, sharp 9 chord, what you can do is, when you play this F half diminished 7, you can just slide that E flat down to D. And that'll give you a B flat 7 with a flat 9, right? It's not the same chord, but they're pretty close because they still have this tritone in there. All right? They still have the 3rd and the 7th in there, okay? So that's real important. So that can make it playing the progression a little easier for you. Then we have the E flat, like that. So we do the same thing when we get to this C sharp to F sharp to B. We can go C sharp. I just drop this B right here, down here. That gives me all the notes I need for my F sharp chord. And then here I'm going to bring these two notes, G here. And then that gives me all I need for this B major 7 chord, okay? So that's a real simple way to get to those two chords. And then here's another one. All right. Well, we're going to stop right there. There you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you want to learn more about the piano, I certainly suggest that you check out the links in the description below, where you can find everything you need to grow in your piano journey. There's actually a chart on this same gospel progression in all of your keys. You can go ahead and check it out in the links below. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.